This is what I paid Cable Bahamas $200 for the month of March. Let's go. For basic cable. Okay, this is what I paid $200 for. For the whole entire month of March. Not even ZNS. I don't even know what's going on in my own country. But I paid Cable Bahamas $200. Been like this the entire month. Not a channel working. Not one.
It's supposed to be here.
Not one.
It's supposed to be here.
$200 they took from me for this.
Everybody had to know.
Well, they bill because I go on Facebook. And I can pay the advertisers on Facebook. This is REV TV.
2 weeks.
$200.
And 2 weeks.
Not a channel.
For 2 weeks.
Not a channel. What my balance is? $24. Not a channel, not one. $200 I paid them. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I get some. Oh, I thought I had some. Oh, you see that? Let's see.
STNT is only and 7S.
It does that mean that's working?
STNT and
Does that?
cinemas.
Oh.
And cinemas.
$200.
Miguel, stop speaking louder, please.